Hey, what's going on? Chris Espinola here, the laptop freedom warrior and internet traffic junkie. And in this quick video, I'm going to take you through my Bitcoin stacking and trading formula where you can literally take your spare change and start earning passive income daily and stacking cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. And I'm going to quickly walk you through. This is a quick little intro video I put together. And somewhere below this video you'll have access to the complete system, but the first part of the system is where you set up your crypto wallets, right? This video will walk you through the setup. Now I have two links here for two different crypto wallets. You don't have to get both of them. You can do it with just one. I always say things come better in twos. Plus, if you decide to share this with other people and you do get these free accounts for these free crypto wallets, and the people you share this with also do the same, you will earn referral commissions for that, right? So step one is you're creating your crypto wallet. This is where you're gonna buy crypto, Bitcoin to get started, and with your spare change, and have your crypto wallet and have your profits sent there. Now step two is takes you to
how to register and fund your Mirror Trading International account. You will need the referral link of the person who invited you to join Mirror Trading International. It will look something like this. Click on that link and you will be taken to the registration screen. Your sponsor's username will be displayed in the sponsor information section. Next, you will see that auto placement is displayed. Please check with your sponsor whether you should select the left or right-hand position. If you don't make a selection, you will automatically go into your sponsor's team leg. Enter a username. The system will tell you if the username is available, and a password. Fill in your personal information: name, surname, email address, a valid mobile number, and then choose your country from the drop-down list. Read the terms and conditions, and then click I have read and accepted the terms and conditions. Once you have done this, click on the register button. A screen will come up with a confirmation message, which will confirm your login details. You will also receive an email from Mirror Trading International confirming your registration. If you found this email in your spam folder, you can inform your system that it is not spam, and you'll be able to receive other emails from the company. Now that you have your login details, please log into the back office at mymticlub.com. Then click on the profile button in the menu on the left. Please update your personal details and upload your proof of identity. Once you have done this, you can click the Update button.
In step two, you want to put
adding funds to your Mirror Trading International pool account.
And take some of that Bitcoin.
Click on the Wallet section on the left. A roll-down will appear. Click on Add Funds. The payment information screen will appear. You can either scan the QR code or carefully copy the Bitcoin address to your wallet.
This is the third step. Now,
make the payment by sending the Bitcoin. Remember, some wallets require you to verify the payment via email. Fill in the details, the exact amount of Bitcoin you sent. Enter the blockchain transaction ID or TXID. Upload the proof of payment screenshot, then click Submit.
Once you have $100 worth, you go ahead.
Once the admin has confirmed your Bitcoin transfer, it will appear in your trading account. In this case, your dashboard will confirm that you are a paid member. However, in some circumstances, your balance may be in the activation wallet. If your Bitcoin is in your activation wallet, then click on the Add Funds to Pool, or click on Pool Account in the menu on the left, and the roll down, and click Add Funds to Pool. The amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer from your activation wallet will show, and all you need to do is click on Submit. Go back to your dashboard and confirm that your Bitcoin is now in the trading account and that your status says Paid Member. Each day you will receive a statement via email telling you the results of the trades. You can also log into your back office to see these results and your statements. Click on the View option to see your daily statement.
by sharing
That is
it
your
with
account,
others.
and how to see the
This
results
step
from daily
here
trading.
walks you through that. Now,
Should you wish to refer your
this is
friends, you can
optional.
send
You
them
don't
your
have to do it.
registration
It's
link,
something I'm
or you can
doing
help them
because I want
register
to build
by
my
clicking on the
passive
downline
income,
registration
but I
link.
also want to share it with other
For
people
more
who might want
information,
to grow
please
their
contact the
income
person who sent you this
passively
video.
without selling or having to bother any friends or family, right? But also want to earn an additional income by sharing it with others. This step 4 will walk you through how to do that. And you can click here to get started. This is the platform that we're using to share the Bitcoin stacking and trading formula that I just walked you through. Step 1, you can set up a 7-day free trial. Step 2, it walks you through how to set everything up. And obviously, if you have questions, you can contact me. Reach out to me directly. Leave a message somewhere below this video. There'll also be my contact information. That being said, I just walk you through a simple way where you can take your spare money, turn it into Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin with the digital currency, digital gold, and invest it, right? Invest it so you can earn a passive daily income in Bitcoin that you can cash in for cash or hold and wait till Bitcoin increases, or take a percentage of those daily earnings and go ahead and get your instant Bitcoin multiplier in step 3. And also, if you want to get an additional income stream, move over to step 4, right, where you'll where it will walk you through on how to start sharing this with others, as I did. But again, you don't have to do that. You can get started in, after you set up your Bitcoin wallets, you can get started in step 2 with just this company and start earning passively Monday to Friday based on your investment there. And let that grow. Withdraw your profits or withdraw a certain percentage every week. Recoup your additional investment and keep growing it. Keep growing it, keep growing it, keep growing it. You're gonna both benefit by the daily earnings, passive earnings that you're doing for not doing a thing except cashing in your spare change, buying Bitcoin and investing it here, cashing it out back for cash, and you just put extra cash Monday to Friday in your pocket without doing a thing, besides taking the spare cash that you scrounge around the house in your pockets, put $100 together and get going. That being said, Chris Espinola signing out. Click the button below this video. Check out the whole system and get connected with me. And let's make some money together.